Hello students, welcome to the new video of the class 10 mathematics part 9. In this video we only explain how we prove that the similarity criteria means we prove that by using similarity criteria triangles are similar, but how we prove that these similarities criteria. So firstly we take the criteria angle means if any two triangle ABC triangle and PQR. In between two triangles, if it is given that in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. Means if it is given that all three angles are equal, so prove that triangle is similar. So firstly, if we want to prove that triangle is similar, so all angles and all corresponding sides ratio are equal, so triangles are similar. Here all angles are given, means suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 equal to 4, 2 equal to 5, 3 equal to 6 is given. But we want to prove that triangle similar, so we want only prove ratio equal. So to prove triangle ABC similar triangle PQR, construction is very common. Construction is for all types of similarity criteria. Construct AB is equal to PM, AC is equal to PN, and join MN. This is equal to this and this is equal to this. Suppose 7 and 8 angle. So proof. For your information, these types of criteria are proving only three types of steps. We have to use either the similarities, congruency, BPT. So here firstly we say, can you prove triangle ABC and triangle PMN are congruent? How? AB equal to PQ, PM. Angle 1 equal to angle 4 and PAC equal to PN. By construction given. So triangle ABC congruent triangle SAS congruency. Triangles are congruent. When triangles congruent, so angle 2 is equal to angle 7 CPCT. And 2 is equal to angle 5 given, so angle 7 equal to angle 5. If angle 7 equal to angle 5, 8 is corresponding angle of MN and QR, so MN parallel to QR. Because if corresponding angles are equal, so lines are parallel. These are parallel. If this parallel, so by BPT in triangle PQR, PM upon PQ is equal to PN upon PR. Because if lines parallel, so ratio equal by ABD. AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR. Why? PM equal to AB and PN equal to AC. These to replace by this. So when we draw line parallel line through PQ and PR, so we have to get the ratio PQ and QR. Similarly, if you can join line here, so we get the ratio between PR and QR, means just like AB upon PQ and line join from here to here, so BC upon QR. Means when we draw this line, so we get the ratio these two lines, PQ and PR. When we draw this type line, so we get the ratio PR and QR. And we draw line from here, so we get the ratio PQ and QR. Means only construction change, so ratio change. So similarly this ratio we get, so AB is equal to PQ AC upon PR, AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. So finally we get AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is also equal to AC upon PR. Therefore triangle ABC similar triangle PQR, because all sides ratio equal and all angles equal given. So by the similarity rule, both triangles are similar. Okay, pause and note down. Next similarity criteria, SSS, means in between two triangles all sides ratio are given, they are equal. AB upon PQ, BC upon QR, AC upon PR, all three ratio are equal given in between two triangles. So prove that triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Proving part is same, only given part is changed. And the construction is same for all types of question. We construct them, AB equal to PM, AC equal to PN and join MN. And similarly all types angles. And just opposite to the previous theorem, here we equal them, all the angles equal. So firstly, what's given? AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR given. F तक we can replace AB is equal to PM, AC equal to PN by construction. AB is equal to PM and AC equal to PN, and let's see in triangle PQR ratio equal PM upon PQ, PN upon PR by converse of BPT. Ratio equal, so by converse property, line parallel. And when line parallel, so angle 7 is equal to angle 5, angle 8 equal to angle 6, corresponding angle. Just leave here. Then, if only we prove that ABC congruent PMN, so all angles are equal. Because 7, 5 already equal. If 7, 2 equal to 2, 5 equal. So we want to prove that triangle congruent. How? Let's see. In triangle ABC and triangle PMN, two sides already equal given. ABAC PMN by construction. Only we want to prove them BC equal to MN. So how we prove it? Let's see. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. Given, in place of AB we can put PM upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. Equation number 1. And in triangle PQR by BPT, PQ upon PM upon PQ is also equal to MN upon QR. This upon this upon this, size ratio. So from this and this equation, from first and second, you can also write the corresponding ratio. PM upon PQ and PM upon PQ same. So we can write BC upon QR is equal to MN upon QR. QR cancel. BC is equal to MN. BC is equal to MN. Same. AB equal to PM by construction. AC is equal to PN by construction. So triangle ABC congruent triangle PMN by SSS congruency. Triangles congruent. And when the triangle is congruent, so angle 1 is equal to angle 4, angle 2 is equal to angle 7, angle 3 is equal to angle 8, CP. 1 is equal to 4 is already same, and in place of angle 2 is equal to 7 means 7 equal to 5, and 3 is equal to angle 6. So all three corresponding angles equal. Therefore, triangle ABC similar triangle PQR is a proving of triple S similarity when all three sides ratio are equal given. So we can prove that they also similar by SSS similarity. Okay, pause video down. Third similarity criteria, SAS. Side angle side, where means in between two triangles two sides ratio are equal, AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR, and the angle between them are equal, means 1 equal to 4. So these two triangles are similar. On the given part is change, proving part is same, and the construction is also same for all types. So we proved that triangles similar. Same things. Either we prove that all three angles are equal, or we prove that all three side ratio equal. Or out of these two, any two you can equal them. So by the previous criteria we can say that triangles are similar. Means main motive, we equal them all the angles, corresponding angles between two triangles, because angle easy to equal them rather than the sides. So let's see by the same. Firstly, congruency, because in very easy congruency use in this question, ABC and PMN. You know, SAS is very important, because these similarity criteria proving comes 3-4 times in board examination. SAS. I'm not say angle not come, SAS not come. They also come, but one or two times. But this similarity approx 3 to 4 times comes in board examination, and 4 marks. So between two triangles, AB is equal to PM by construction. Angle 1 equal to angle 4 given. AC equal to PN by construction. So triangle ABC congruent triangle PMN by SAS congruency. Very simple proving. So angle 2 is equal to angle 7, angle 3 equal to angle 8, CPCT. Means we jump from this triangle, means ABC and PMN, all angles are equal, corresponding angles equal. We only prove them, these also equal. So means SAS is the combination of triple A and triple S. We prove congruency, then the angles equal, then use BPT. In triangle PQR, first we write AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR. So we can write PM upon PQ is equal to PN upon PR by construction. AD change to PM, AC change to PM. So by converse of BPT, say ratio equal, so line parallel, and when the line is parallel, so angle 7 equal to angle 5, angle 8 equal to angle 6, corresponding angle. Then see, so we can say 2 equal to 7 and 7 equal to 5. Angle 2 equal to 7 equal to 5. Angle 2 equal to angle 5. And angle 3 is equal to angle 8 equal to 6. Angle 3 is equal to 6. 2 equal to 5, 3 equal to 6, and 1 equal to 4 is already given. All corresponding angles equal. Therefore, triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR. Hence proof. So pause it, note down. In your mind, sir, why not explain the angle and the similarity? Because angle similarity is not any similarity criteria, is only a part, corollary part. Why? Let's see. And two angles equal means suppose angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, so we want to prove that triangle similar. So let's see. Angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q. In triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. First, in triangle PQR, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180. P is equal to A, Q is equal to B, R same note down. Equation 2. So from equation first and second you can say angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to angle A plus angle B plus angle R. B cancel, A cancel. You can say C is equal to R. Means all corresponding angles are equal. Two angles given, third also equal, because the rule of a triangle, sum of all interior angle make 180 degree. So if two angles are equal between two triangles, so already third also equal because sum make 180. So triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR. So this is only a corollary part. And very important similarities, because maximum questions solved by this question, this similarity, AA similarity. So pause video, note down.